In this video, we will talk about project manager roles and responsibilities. Project manager is a professional who leads and overall responsible for the project. Now we will discuss project manager roles and responsibilities. Each project manager have following roles and responsibilities according to project requirement. Project scope planning, project activities planning, project resource planning, project manager lead project team, project time management, cost management, client or customer satisfaction, quality control, risks analysis and management, progress monitoring, coordination with shareholders, project reports and documentation. Now we will see these roles and responsibilities one by one. Project scope planning. Project scope planning is simply what to do. Project scope planning is the first responsibility of project manager. He needs to be very clear about the project work. The project whole idea should be in his mind. Next is project activities planning. Project activities planning is about how to do. Here a project manager makes a plan how he will execute the project. A good project manager makes a schedule plan by following all project activities. Project resource planning. Project resource planning is the major responsibility of any project manager. It's about making a planning for manpower, equipment, material, financial and other required resources for the project. Lead project team. Project manager organizes and leads the project team. He follows day by day activities and makes sure his project team is doing their best. Also, a good project manager motivates his team for more efficiency. Time management. Good project managers make project time schedule by following project activities management. They make sequence for activities and calculate time for each activity and finally develop a time management schedule. Cost management. Good project managers estimate the project cost, then allocate and control it during the project execution. It's also a major responsibility of any project manager to complete the project within set budget. Client or customer satisfaction. It's the project manager responsibility to make sure client or customer satisfaction. Quality control. Project managers make quality control plan to meet the project quality requirements. They follow required quality standards during project execution very strictly. Risks analysis and management. Project managers make analysis about potential risks before project execution. They manage and reduce risks during project execution. Progress monitoring. It's the major role of a project manager to monitor the project progress. During project execution, there are always hurdles to achieve the required results. A good project manager monitors the progress and take corrective decisions to improve it. Coordination with shareholders. Project managers make coordination with shareholders. They deal with clients, vendors, subcontractors, local authorities, etc. Project reports and documentation. Project managers keep proper record of project documentations. They prepare daily, weekly, monthly reports. After project completion, it's also responsibility of project manager to prepare final report.